What's going on, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in on part 3 of my HellCat wide body build series. And today, guys, I'm so excited. We finally got the bumper in from Extreme Online Store. Buddies over there sent us the HellCat from bumper, and we're also going to be receiving as well the HellCat red eye hood. So I'm very excited for that. On a personal note, I think they're really better than any other company out there, to be quite honest. And they're very quick. This only took a week. I ordered it, boom, here. I'm just so excited. I can't wait to just unbox it. But we're going to be doing the unboxing today. I will be doing 2 parts. I looked into it to get it painted, and people are charging like $600, $500, $800 just to paint the bumper. And I'm just like, dude, I can just do it myself. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna be doing the unboxing today, showing you guys everything that includes this specific bumper, and then we'll be doing a part 2, painting the whole thing, and then going from there. Enough blabbering. I'm excited. Let's get to the video. The first piece that we're taking out of this sucker is the HellCat front link. And originally, when I did my previous video on installing the Scat Pack lip, originally they had sent me this one, and as you guys can see, it is way thinner. Quality on this is identical to the stock one that they have on the HellCats. So it looks looking crispy. Okay, so my bumper on the car right now, as it sits, the OEM, this material or whatever it is a lot stronger than the normal OEM. And you can tell just by the feel of it, it has some bass to it. It got some bass to it. And another reason to go that route and get on board is some good quality stuff. So here it is, guys. This is how it looks. If you guys ordered from Extreme Online Store as well, it's gonna come with the primered black HellCat front bumper. It's going to come obviously with the lower grill. You do have the upper grill already installed, ready to go, and then the side for the fogs as well. It is going to come with your hardware as well, so that's another plus. The lip, and then the bottom cover for the lip itself. So this is everything that is pretty much included, but we'll do a little close-up. Bottom grill. It comes in a, what is that, like a gloss, I guess. Looks good, and it's really durable too. It's not like that cheap plastic that's on the OEM freaking scats that breaks easily. I believe these are going to be the side covers for the lip itself, and again the bottom cover for the lip as well. But the lip, as you guys can see, I mean, it's just like OEM. It's like the OEM lip. This is the one that I got in the mail. But it should be really easy again to bolt up everything. And like I said, they sent that for the freaking bumper. So, man, I can't wait to install it. It's gonna look so mean. That's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. It's gonna be short and sweet. Stay tuned for part 4. It's gonna be an exciting process. And again, we'll see you guys on the next video.